this from outside. We went to Hana and drove on the road to Hana. It was cool. There were tons of curbs. I would not ride that at all on my bike. It was worse than Tail of the Dragon. I'm going to turn this around. You can see the beach. They were where we were last night?
Yeah.
Dude, check that out. Man, that smells good.
I know.
What was that? Like a pig roast?
Yeah, it's got like this big, like one of those big grill things you see at the fair.
Nice. There's like 3 different shades of blue in the ocean, and you can see the clouds and the shadows they're making on the ground over there. Made it to Maui, and it is beautiful. Check this out. So this is pretty cool. You don't get to see. Try not to fall. Climbing up the rock. Oh. So could you ask for a better backdrop than this? It's like no matter where you look, you got ocean, rocks, mountains. This is pretty cool. Like if you look out far enough, you just see forever. Hope we get to visit some of these other islands. That's going to be awesome. I think we're supposed to go on a hiking trail later. So what do you think?
I like it a lot.
Look at that view.
I know. It's very pretty.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm still not sure if I'm going to rent a scooter or a motorcycle or if I'm just going to go up hiking. But hopefully it'll be fun either way. Awesome.